Yes, my dear students, today we will start GK subject also. GK general knowledge from the chapter number 2, plants quiz. Now what do you mean by plants quiz? It means that test your knowledge on plant. Plants makes our world green. Plants makes our world green. And there are so many plants on the earth. Now tell me, answer the quiz on plants. Which part of plant anchors it to the ground? Which part? Roots. Second one is, what is the green substance present in leaves called chlorophyll? Now third one is, which part of a plant is needed to produce more plant? Which part? Flower. All answers you have to write with the pencil, not with the pen. Now fourth one is, what do you call the process of joining a pollen grain with an oval to form a seed? Fertilization. Now fifth one is, which part of the plant contains pollen grains? Which part? Stamen. What is the name of the process by which a plant makes its own food? Which part? What is the name of the process by which a plant makes by their own food? Is photosynthesis. Now seventh one is, name the structure through which leaves breathe. Which structure? Stomata. Which structure? Stomata. Now eighth one is, which part of a plant holds it upright and moves it towards the light? Stem. Clear it, and these all answers you have to write in the book only. No need to copy it in the register. All these answers you have to fill in the book only with the pencil, not with the pen. Now the third lesson is medicinal leaves. In this chapter, what you will see that herbal plants means jadi bootiyan. Herbal plants have been used for thousands of years. How many years? Thousands of years. And in this chapter, what it is there? Diseases are there, and you have to write the plant. Which disease require which plant? Okay, if you got any hurt or anything is there, so what we are using? Which plant we are using? So in this chapter, we will study which disease require which plant name. Okay, now first one is the piles. Piles is the disease, and which plant require? Turmerine leaves. What is turmerine leaves? In Hindi what we will say? Turmerine leaves, इमली का पेड़. Okay, now tooth decay, tuberculosis, leprosy, balsam, बलम का पौधा. बलसम को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? बलम का पौधा. Now third one is cancer, chronic, cold, arthritis. In this disease, which plant will be required? Tulsi. Which plant? Tulsi. Eczema, bronchitis phenomena. In this, which plant? Eucalyptus. Means Nilgiri Vraksh. In Hindi what we will say? Nilgiri, eucalyptus. Now fifth one is wounds, ulcer, inflammations. If this disease is there, then which treatment plant will be used? Cabbage. Now sixth one is wounds, cough and cold. Which plant? Betel. Betel, what we will call in Hindi? सुपारी का पौधा. Okay, Now 7th is toothache, gum problem, diabetes, cashew. Cashew, all are knowing. Cough, wands, flu, sore throat, marigold. Now 9th is influenza, sore throat, malaria, cinnamon. Cinnamon. Now 10th is athlete foot fungal infection. Which plant will be used? Neem. And 11th one is night blindness, eye problem. Which plant? Mango. Rheumatic arthritis. In this, which plant will be used? Sarsaparilla. Now clear all students? This second chapter and third chapter you have to fill in the book only with the pencil. Bye students. Thank you.